Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2019 Chevy Suburban LT four-wheel drive, stock number X906XX. 16,000 miles, and the Suburban comes to us with a clean auto check history report, Siren Red in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper. The Suburban seats 8, leather interior, dual DVD players overhead, rear heat and air control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Outboard middle row seats are also heated. Seats will fold flat with the push of a button on the inside of the doorway. Push again will tumble forward, making it easy to get to the third row. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, forward collision alert, along with backup camera and parking sensors. Hitch and wiring behind the cover, nice clean look when not in use. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of storage space in the rear. 60/40 split rear seat, fold flat with the push of a button. You can also reverse. And also fold and tumble the second row from the rear as well. And very clean. No dents or dings in the body. Running boards make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, and power adjustable pedals put you in that perfect driving position. Shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting, power moonroof overhead, push button start, with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. That steering wheel is also heated, great for those cold winter days. Cruise control, and that's where you set the forward collision alert. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as tow haul mode. Large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming, navigation, and there's of course where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control along with heated front seats. Lots of storage space in the center console, and a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Auto-dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and power adjustable liftgate control. Under the hood, the Suburban has a 5.3-liter V8, 355 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 14 miles to the gallon and a city average of 21 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.